In this problem, I'm asked to factor out the GCF. So first I need to find the GCF. So I start with looking at the numbers. I'm going to look at 20 and 50 and think, okay, what number can both 20 and 50 be divided by? Okay, now you can list factors, and you should always start with the smaller number and say, okay, like 1 times 20 is 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5, right? You could list all the factors. But when I look at 20 and 50, I right away see that they both end in 0, meaning they're both divisible by 10. Okay, and I think to myself, okay, well, is there a bigger number? Because 10 times 5 is 50, so 10 is a factor of 50. Is there a bigger number that multiplies to both of them? Can I multiply 20 to get 50? No. Okay, so the GCF is 10. And what about the variables? Because I have an x right here. But there's no x right here, so x is not a common factor. It's not a factor in both of them, so the GCF is just 10. So then for factored form, I start my process like this. I put the GCF on the outside of the parentheses, and I set up my parentheses. And now what I want to know is 10 times what equals 20x, and 10 times what equals 50. So let's start with the 20x. So 10 times what equals 20? Well, 10 times 2 equals 20. And if I want it to be 20x, there needs to be an x there. 10 times 2x equals 20x. Perfect. And 10 times what equals 50? Well, 10 times 5 equals 50, right? 10 times 5 equals 50. And I want it to be a positive 50. Everything here is positive, so it's going to be plus 5. So it should be 10 parentheses 2x plus 5.